The iPhone 17 Pro models will reportedly feature a repositioned Apple logo police car light. The logo will now be positioned on the center bottom. iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing video leaks hands-on. We also see two shots of dummy units, the entire iPhone 17 family, in fact, represented by dummy units, both black and white. Now hands-on comparisons video leaks with iPhone 16 Pro Max. The design of the iPhone 17 Pro is actually not bad. Do you like it? This year's iPhone 17 Pro models will have a major redesign, specifically centering around changes to the rear camera module. Apple will move away from the familiar square camera bump to a distinctive aluminum camera bar that spans the device's width. Apple's next MagSafe charger might bring 45W speeds and Qi 2.2 support. iPhone 17 lineup massive protective case video leaks. We have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Air, and the iPhone 17. Apple's iPhone 17 lineup will come with 12GB RAM, the iPhone 17 series to get TSMC's next-generation 2nm chips, Apple's A19 chip technology. Apple reportedly tested 8K video recording on the iPhone 16 Pro models, but such functionality is still not available. With the iPhone 17 Pro models expected to have entirely 48-megapixel rear cameras, there is a good chance that 8K video recording will debut on those devices. The iPhone 17 lineup will feature a 24-megapixel front-facing camera with a 6-element lens. All of these devices should be making their official debut in September. Apple is reportedly planning to bring all its devices back to aluminum with the iPhone 17 lineup. The two flagship iPhone 17 Pro models will mark the return of aluminum frames to high-end iPhones for the first time since Apple began distinguishing between Pro and non-Pro models. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.